Hi, I'm April. Welcome to Creativity Tips. Today's session is on gratitude cards. We all experience a wide range of emotions that impact our well-being. Maybe you received a kind note from a friend, or you helped your sibling with their homework. How did that make you feel? Expressing gratitude activates positive emotions that impact you and others. For this activity, you will create a gratitude card. You will need paper, scissors, glue, pencils, and markers. First, let's draw 3 flowers. Color and cut them out. Ready for a creativity tip? Fold a white sheet of paper in half and make a small cut. Unfold the paper and insert flowers in the cut. Glue flowers to paper. Next, glue the white paper to the construction paper and fold in half. Draw and cut a wavy line along the top and bottom of the card. Decorate the outside of the card and don't forget to write a special note of gratitude. Parents and teachers, subscribe to Crayola Learning's YouTube channel and follow on social media for more colorful, creative content. Thank you for letting your ideas shine. Stay colorful with creativity tips.